The world of motorhomes is evolving, and Chevrolet is stepping up with its 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome, designed for adventure seekers and comfort lovers alike. Welcome back to Auto Insider, where today we take an in-depth look at this feature-packed home on wheels. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country expedition, this motorhome promises a blend of power, innovation, and luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome sports a sleek yet rugged design, built on a reinforced chassis for stability and durability. It features aerodynamic lines that improve fuel efficiency, and LED lighting all around ensures excellent visibility in any conditions. Chevy offers multiple length options to cater to different traveler needs, from compact models for couples to extended versions for large families. Under the hood, Chevrolet equips this motorhome with a powerful 6.6-liter V8 engine, delivering around 400 horsepower and 465 lp-ft of torque. If you're looking for an eco-friendly alternative, Chevy also offers a hybrid variant with a twin-turbo V6 and an electric motor, providing a balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the drive remains smooth whether you're cruising the highway or climbing steep mountain roads. The motorhome features an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring confidence on off-road trails and challenging terrains. Inside, Chevrolet has designed a luxurious and tech-savvy space. The cabin features premium leather seating, wood grain finishes, and soft-touch materials throughout. The open concept floor plan includes a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen with a convection oven and induction cooktop, and a smart refrigerator that syncs with your phone. The motorhome also boasts a convertible dinette, allowing for flexible use of space. One of its standout features is the smart control system, accessible through a touchscreen or a mobile app. This system lets you manage lighting, climate control, water levels, and even security cameras remotely. Need power on the go? The 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome comes with a solar panel setup and a robust lithium battery system, allowing for extended off-grid stays. Sleeping arrangements are top tier, with a queen-size memory foam bed in the master suite, optional bunk beds for families, and a pop-up roof with additional sleeping space. The bathroom is another highlight, offering a full-size shower, a high-efficiency water system, and a sleek vanity with ample storage. Safety and driver assistance are key priorities in this motorhome. Chevrolet has integrated features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, 360-degree cameras, and automatic emergency braking. A heads-up display and an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make long journeys more enjoyable and stress-free. The starting price for the 2025 Chevrolet Motorhome is expected to be around $110,000, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $160,000. With its blend of power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, this motorhome is set to be a top contender in the market. That wraps up today's review, but we have another exciting vehicle coming up that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned to Auto Insider, and we'll see you in the next review.